Albert Einstein. Yes, I have.
Wow. Okay.
I have heard about Albert Einstein, yes.
Have you heard of Albert Einstein?
Yeah, a couple times.
Oh.
Okay, have you ever heard of Albert Einstein?
Yes.
Have you ever heard of Albert Einstein?
Have you ever heard of Albert Einstein?
Yes.
Yes, I have.
Have you heard of Albert Einstein?
Yes, I have.
Miss Lee, have you ever heard of Albert Einstein?
Yes, I have.
Do you know why Albert Einstein is famous?
For his research on relativity.
Very good, Miss Lee.
Well, thank you very much.
Impressive.
I am too.
Albert Einstein is famous for a variety of things. Yes, I have an idea of why Albert Einstein is famous.
Can you explain that?
Yes, he's famous. He gave us relativity. He gave us the equation that he talks about the amount of energy that is in matter. He equated the speed of light to that amount of energy. He's got a Nobel Prize in physics, which is nice.
Okay, do you have any idea why he's famous?
Because of his math theories.
Do you have any idea why this man is famous?
Because he's Albert Einstein.
He is smart, and doesn't he make up a formula? E equals MC squared?
Yeah, good job.
Yeah, that's what I know.
Do you have any idea why he's famous, like, at all?
Do you want to tell him, Karah?
E equals MC squared!
He invented a couple other things too. He's a pretty smart dude.
Okay, cool.
Do you have any idea why Albert Einstein is famous?
Most famous thing I know about him is that he created the theory of relativity.
Do you have any idea why he's famous?
He has really crazy hair.
Do you have any idea why he's famous?
He said a lot of famous things.
It's very broad.
It is very broad. He was a smart physicist and mathematician. He
Okay.
was, yes.
Oh, no, you weren't done. Keep going.
Oh, he came up with many theories that are very difficult to understand
That's true.
for the layperson.
Physics is pretty hard. Okay. Do you know? Did you know that he won the Nobel Prize?
I guess I didn't know that he won the Nobel Prize.
Did you know that Mr. Albert Einstein won a Nobel Prize?
For what?
Did you know he won one?
No. For what?
You weren't aware?
No. What did he win it for?
Well, he won his Nobel Prize for the photoelectric effect. Do you have any idea what that is?
No. What is it?
Do you know why he won the Nobel Prize?
Honestly, I don't know, and I could guess. I'm wondering if it had something to do with his views about peace.
Do you know why he won the Nobel Prize?
No.
So he won a Nobel Prize, but do you have like any idea why or what he won it for?
No. For being smart? For being smart?
Yeah, for being smart.
Okay.
Do you know why he won the Nobel Prize?
Oh, French toast.
Science! That's why.
Yeah.
Actually,
Science.
high five.
Oh.
That was terrible.
He won his Nobel Prize for the photoelectric effect. Do you have any idea what that is?
No. What is it?
The photoelectric effect is like solar panels and solar power. Like the things on a calculator that power them. Or things on the ceilings of houses. That give
The
house
ceilings of
power.
houses? They put them inside?
I mean, on the roofs of houses.
He won the Nobel Prize for the photoelectric effect.
Well, I know, of course. Just kidding.
He won his Nobel Prize for the photoelectric effect.
That's what.
Solar cells.
Have you ever heard of his theory of relativity?
I've heard of that word. That's all.
The whole word, theory of relativity?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
It's not really a word, it's more of a phrase.
A phrase?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard of it.
So you don't really know what it's about or anything?
No.
Alright.
Have you ever heard of his theory of relativity?
I have, yes. I've heard of the theory of relativity.
What do you know about it?
The theory of relativity is that time works, it's hard to explain, but time works differently to different people depending on how fast they travel.
Have you ever heard of Einstein's theory of relativity?
Yes.
What do you know about his theory of relativity?
I know the E is energy, mass, and I'm trying to think of actually what it tells us, but I don't really know what it tells us, to be honest with you.
I know it talks about using Pythagorean theorem, how it equates the speed of an object to the slowing down of time.
What's his famous equation?
E equals mc squared would be my guess.
Okay. E equals mc squared. That's all I remember from it.
E equals mc squared.
Very good.
E equals mc squared, which is energy equals mass times the speed of light squared.
E squared. It has an E in it. That's about all I know.
Very good.
E equals mc squared.
Okay, there we go.
Do you know Albert Einstein's famous equation?
Yes, I do. It is E equals MC2
E equals mc
squared.
Fun fact that I believe is accurate, that Time magazine named him the person of the century for the 1900s.
I don't even understand how that makes sense.
Did your brain just get trolled so hard?
You just trolled my brain. I think Einstein is trolling all of our brains.
He was a
I
troll.
think so too, right?
You don't like him?
Einstein was a troll.
I know something
Why
very...
did he have to discover what a light beam did? Why?
I know something that's a little bit uncomfortable about Albert Einstein.
He married his cousin.
He married his cousin. Is that true?
Yes, it is true. After he
Word on the street is that he liked to expose himself to women. I've read that.
He sent nudes.
Mailed nudes.
He sent nudes through pigeons.
Not from pigeons.